So we are going to learn about account creation, guys. Okay, how to create the account in the ServiceNow system and all we are going to learn. Okay, so guys, we are all new to the ServiceNow platform. We are all new to the ServiceNow platform. We have to start our career with ServiceNow platform. Okay, if we have to get started our career with ServiceNow platform, if you have to start our career with ServiceNow platform, first step that we have to do is we have to create an account in the ServiceNow platform. That is the first step that everyone has to do. Okay, everyone should have an account in the ServiceNow platform. That is the first step everyone has to do. Okay, so how to create the ServiceNow account? That is what we are going to learn as part of today's session. Okay, so well, we have to navigate to developer.servicenow.com portal. We have to navigate to ServiceNow. We have to navigate to developer.servicenow.com portal. So in the developer.servicenow.com portal, we have to create an account. Okay. So I am navigating to developer.servicenow.com in the Google Chrome. Okay. See, if you navigate to developer.servicenow.com portal, here you will be able to see sign up and start building. So this is the first step that we have to do. Okay. If you have already a ServiceNow account, then you have to click on sign in here. So as we all are new to the platform, right? As we are all new to the ServiceNow platform, we have to create an account. To create an account, we have to click on sign up and start building. So this is the first step that everyone has to do. Okay. So well, what I am doing here is I'm just clicking on sign up and start building here. Okay. I'm clicking on sign up and start building here. So here, if you scroll little down, here you can see get a ServiceNow ID. Just click on this arrow mark here. So you can see sign up for ServiceNow ID. You can see sign up for ServiceNow ID. So to create an ID, to create a ServiceNow account, you have to provide your personal details. You have to provide your personal details. Okay. So may I know your personal details? Your first name? Sandeep. Your last name? P. P. Your email address? Sandeep? Two Sandeeps. Always remember, guys, when you are actually providing your email address, always you have to provide your personal email address. Let us say if you are already a working employee, you should not use your company email address for creating the ServiceNow account. You have to use your personal email address. That is your Gmail address or Yahoo email. So you might have Yahoo mail. So you can also use Yahoo mail here. So you can use Gmail, you can use Yahoo mail. So you have to use your personal email addresses here. To create the ServiceNow account, you have to use your personal email address, which should be active. So you are using this email address, right? Okay, very good. So here you have to select your country here. Then you have to set up your password for your ServiceNow account. So here password, you have to set up your password for your ServiceNow account. So here I am setting the password for my ServiceNow account here. So what is the password that I am keeping here is that I am just keeping October@2023. Okay, remember this password, Sandeep. So October@2023. So this is the password that I am actually setting for your ServiceNow account. Okay. And after that, you have to accept that you are not a robot, you are a human. So here bridges, this is a bridge. This one is also a bridge. This one is also a bridge. This is also a bridge. And verify this one. So you have accepted that you are not a robot, you are a human. You have to accept the policies. Okay. So you have to navigate to sign up page. In the sign up page, you have to provide your first name and you have to provide your last name, your personal email address, which should be active, and you have to select your country, and you have to set up a password for your ServiceNow account. You will be using this password to log into your ServiceNow account. Okay. You will be using this email address and this password to log into your ServiceNow account. Okay. So after providing all these details, you have to accept the policies. Then you have to click on sign up here. Sign up. So I'm just clicking on sign up here. Okay. Now you can see it is saying thank you. ServiceNow ID has been created for you with Sandeep81275@gmail.com. So this application requires you to verify your email address. So that means it will send you a verification email address. It will send you a verification email address, guys. Okay. So as it will send an email to your email address, you would have received a verification email on your email address. Okay. So it will take some time usually. Okay. So usually it will take 1 or 2 minutes time. So once you receive that on your email address, you will be able to see a button called verify. Okay. In your email inbox, you will be receiving an email from ServiceNow. In that email, you will be able to see a button called verify. So we have to click on that verify button. So once we click on that verify button, that means verification is completed. Okay. So kindly let me know once you are done with your verification, Sandeep. You received the email. You clicked on the verify. Okay. Yes, very good. So once you are done with your email verification, okay. So next step that you have to do is you have to again navigate to developer.servicenow.com. Okay. So this time you have already an account, right? So this time you have already an account. So you will not be creating another account here. You will be logging into your ServiceNow account. So how do you log into your ServiceNow account is that you will click on sign in here. You will click on sign in and you have to use your email address here. You have to use your email address here. Sandeep8125@gmail.com. So you have to use the password that you have set up during the sign up. During the sign up, we have set up the password, right? That password we have to use here. So I'm just clicking on sign in here. So now Sandeep is able to log into ServiceNow account. So for the first time, it will ask you, it will actually show you the get started page. In the get started page, you will have to select yes here. So we will be writing small scripts. So that is why we will select yes here. Okay. We'll be writing small scripts here. That is why we'll be selecting yes here. Select next, developer, designer, IT admin. So then you have to accept the policies and click on finish setup. So now your ServiceNow account is ready. Okay. Sandeep, now your ServiceNow account is ready. So likewise, everybody has to create your ServiceNow accounts, guys. This is the first step that everyone has to do. Okay. So here you remember your username and password, right? You remember the email address and the password, right? To log into your ServiceNow account. Okay, very good. So those who don't understand, right? For them, I am actually repeating one more time how to create the ServiceNow account and all. Guys, I am unmuting everyone. I am unmuting everyone. So can any one of you guys come forward so that I can actually create a ServiceNow account for you? I have unmuted you guys. So any volunteer, you can come forward so that I can actually create a ServiceNow account for you. Hello.
Yeah, sir, I am ready.
Hi.
Ashok, this is Ashok.
Yeah, sure. So here, as we all know, to create the ServiceNow account, we have to navigate to developer.servicenow.com. This is the first step that we have to do. So once you navigate to this portal, right? So here, if you don't have the ServiceNow account already, you have to click on sign up and start building here. If you have already the account, you have to click on sign in here. So as we don't have the account, right, Ashok? So we will
Yes, sir.
click on sign up and start building here. So we'll click on sign up and start building here. So you scroll little down, you will be able to see get a ServiceNow ID option here. You just click on this arrow
Okay.
mark here. It will take you to the sign up page. In the sign up page, you have to provide your first name. Your first name is Ashok. Your last name? Sorry? Hello?
Mukkeras, Mukkeras. Hello. I am audible.
Ashok, you are audible. I'm just keeping
Hello.
as
Yeah, sir, I am.
okay. So your email
Okay.
address. Your email address you can ping in the chat.
ASH, okay? Okay, sir.
Okay. Ashok?
Oh, just a minute, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir, I sent.
Very good. So here have provided your first name, your last name, your email address, your country, and I'm actually setting a password to your account. It is actually October@2023. Okay. I'm confirming the same password here. Okay. I'm telling that I'm not a robot here. So by skills. So this is a by skill. This is a by skill.
Okay. That is also by skill.
You have to accept the policies, and here, right, you have to click on sign up here. Once you click on the sign up, right, it will send you a verification email address. It will send you a verification email. So Ashok, you would have received a verification email on your inbox. Go to your inbox and wait for the email. Once you receive that email, you will have to click on that verify button so that verification will be done. So kindly let me know once you are done with your verification.
Okay, sir. Just
Are you done with your verification?
no, sir, I didn't receive.
It will take some time, Ashok. It will take some time.
Okay, sir.
Ashok,
Yeah, sir.
have you received the email?
No, sir, not yet. Just now I received, sir.
Very good.
No, sir, no. It is from LinkedIn somewhere.
So you will be
Service now.
receiving an email.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir. Now I received.
Okay, very good.
Verify email.
Vikram, I saw you raised your hand. I will allow you to speak in the end, okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you. Your email.
So your email verified successfully is what the message that you will get. Did you get that message?
No, sir. It's taking some time. Yes, I need a developer-oriented ID. Do you code and adugutundi, sir?
No.
Hello, Ashok. Help us tune your experience and adugutundi.
No, I think you logged into your ServiceNow account. You are done with verification, right?
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. So I think you are done with your verification. Okay. So once you are done with your verification, you have to navigate to again developer.servicenow.com portal. So this time you will click on sign in here. So once you click on sign in, so you will have to provide your email address here. So, and you have to use the password that you have set up during the sign up. So here, hello Ashok, help us tune your experience. Here you have to select yes here. We'll be writing small scripts, right? So then we'll be selecting yes here. So then you will be selecting developer, designer, IT admin, and you have to accept the policies. Click on finish setup here. Okay. So now Ashok, you are into your ServiceNow account. So your ServiceNow account is ready. So that is how everyone has to create their ServiceNow accounts. Okay. So is that the concept clear, guys? How to create the ServiceNow accounts and all? Everyone? How to create the ServiceNow accounts and all? Everybody is clear, right? Very good. Very good. Okay. So, okay. Now we will move ahead and discuss about, as we all are learning ServiceNow platform, how to practice, right? Where do we practice? So to practice ServiceNow platform, you don't have to install any software on your laptop. Okay. But you should have laptop. Laptop is must. For practicing ServiceNow, laptop is must. Okay. You don't have to purchase Apple MacBook. Just basic configurations like 4 GB RAM. Okay. Storage, handsome storage. So with the basic configurations, that is fine. You don't have to purchase an expensive one. So we all have to practice ServiceNow platform somewhere. Okay. To practice ServiceNow platform, you should have a laptop. In the laptop, you don't have to install any software. You don't have to install any software on your laptop. Okay. So here we will be practicing ServiceNow platform in the PDI. We'll be practicing ServiceNow platform in the PDI. PDI stands for Personal Developer Instance. So this is the place where we all will be practicing ServiceNow platform. Okay. So how to get this personal developer instance? To get this personal developer instance, one should have ServiceNow accounts first. One should have ServiceNow accounts first to get the personal developer instance. Without ServiceNow accounts, you cannot get the personal developer instance. Okay. So here Ashok has his ServiceNow account, right? So Ashok has his ServiceNow account. As he has the ServiceNow account, okay. So from his ServiceNow account, he can request the personal developer instance. He can request the personal developer instance. So on the top right, once you log into your ServiceNow account, on the top right, you will be able to see request instance. This request instance is nothing but requesting the personal developer instance. You have to click on request instance here. Once you click on this request instance, that means you are requesting the PDI. Okay. So once you request this one, it will take some time to provide you the personal developer instance. So we are processing your request. This will only take a few seconds. Okay. ServiceNow company will provide you a personal developer instance for practicing purpose. Okay. ServiceNow company will provide it. ServiceNow company will provide the personal developer instance for you for practicing purpose. Okay. I will show you how exactly the personal developer instance will look like. And I will also show you where exactly we'll be practicing and all. Okay. So guys, when you request the personal developer instance, sometimes it will take hours, sometimes it will take seconds, sometimes it will take minutes, sometimes it will take days as well. Okay. If you are lucky enough, you will be getting it in a seconds. Are you lucky or not? We'll see here. So Ashok is not lucky. Okay. So here he has to wait for some time. Let me just refresh this one. So they are still setting up a personal developer instance for you. Let me just refresh this one. So as I told you, it will take some time, guys. As I told you, it will take some time. Okay. If it is taking some time, I will log into my ServiceNow account. Okay. So that I can show you quickly instead of waiting here, right? So this might take some time. Sometimes, as I told you, you will get it in seconds. Sometimes you will get it in, um, you know, minutes. Sometimes you will get it in hours. So then what I'm doing is I'm actually logging into my account here. Just clicking on sign in. So I'm logging into my account. So here you can see my personal developer instance is ready here. You will be able to see in a blue color here. So once you click on this one, it will take you to the personal developer instance. The personal developer instance will look like this one. So this is the place where we all will be practicing every day. Every day we all will be practicing. We all will be practicing in this personal developer instance. Okay. We all will be practicing ServiceNow platform in this personal developer instance. Okay. Fine. This is how you will get the personal developer instance. So guys, there are some limitations for this personal developer instance. Okay, there are some limitations. What are the limitations for this personal developer instance? What are the limitations for this personal developer instance? So personal developer instance will go sleep mode if not practicing continuously. If you are not practicing continuously, you will go to sleep mode. Okay. Sleep mode in the sense you can also still wake up. Let us say you did not practice today, it went to sleep mode and you have to wake it up again. For waking up and all, it will take 5 to 10 minutes. You can still wake it up. So once it is wake up, then you can start practicing it. And will be the PDI will be expired if not practicing. If not practicing, PDI will be expired. If not practicing for 10 days continuously. If you are not practicing in the personal developer instance continuously for 10 days, it will be expired. Expired is nothing but that is gone. You will not have personal developer instance. Okay, fine. Let us say you have some emergency. You didn't get chance to practice in the personal developer instance. Okay, you didn't get chance to practice in the personal developer instance. And the instance is expired. The PDI is expired. Okay. So if the personal developer instance is expired, where do you practice now? Okay, where do you practice? So you will have still option to request a new personal developer instance. Okay. You will have still option to request a new personal developer instance. Okay. But whatever you have already practiced, you will never get it back. You will never get it back. There is no option to get the work that you have already done. That is gone. That is gone. So you will have to request a new personal developer instance. That is a fresh one. Okay. So that is why please make sure you are practicing continuously. You are practicing every day. So that instance will be available with you. Whatever you have practiced, that will be with you. If the instance is expired, you will have to request a new personal developer instance. You have to begin it from the scratch. Okay. So this is actually about personal developer instances. Okay. So every time when you want to open the personal developer instance for practicing purpose, what you have to do is you have to navigate to ServiceNow account. From the ServiceNow account, you can open the personal developer instance. Okay. So instead of logging into ServiceNow account, if you want to access the personal developer instance directly, instead of logging into ServiceNow account and opening the personal developer instance, if you want to open the personal developer instance directly, what we have to do is we have to go to ServiceNow account. On the ServiceNow account, you can just click on this account name. You will be able to see manage instance password here. Manage instance password here. So once you click on this one, you will be able to see the username, password for your personal developer instance. These details are for personal developer instance, guys. Personal developer instance URL, username, and password. Okay. So what I do is I'll copy this URL. I'll open this personal developer instance. Okay. So it will ask you to provide the username and password. It will ask you to provide the username and password. So to provide the username and password, okay. So here I'm able to access the personal developer instance directly, right? Using username and password. Likewise, you can use this username and password to log into your personal developer instance directly without navigating to ServiceNow account. So you can email yourself a copy so that you will be receiving an email to the registered email. So from the registered email, you can use this username and password to logging into your personal developer instance directly. Okay, fine. Okay. So now we discussed about personal developer instance. Personal developer instance is actually about for practicing purpose. Personal developer instance is actually about for practicing purpose. Okay. Well, guys, now we will understand some real-time things. some real time, what happens in the real time and all. Well, guys, who uses this ServiceNow platform? All the organizations uses the ServiceNow platform. All the organizations use ServiceNow platform. All the IT companies use the ServiceNow platform. All the IT companies owners will purchase the ServiceNow product. Let us take Ratan Tata. Ratan Tata is a business owner, right? He's a business owner of TCS company. Okay. He will purchase the ServiceNow product. Okay. Let us take Azim Premji. Azim Premji. He is actually Wipro company owner. Okay. He will purchase the ServiceNow product. All the business owners will purchase the products, ServiceNow product. Okay. Let us say Uday Gadiparthi. Okay. So Uday Gadiparthi has a company. It is actually called Dontech. So this is actually my company. This is my company. I am the owner of this company. Okay. Well, here as a business owner, I will purchase ServiceNow product. As a business owner, I'll purchase ServiceNow product. Okay. To manage my employees, I'll use ServiceNow product. So Ratan Tata has 4 lakhs employees. Okay. Azim Premji has 2 lakhs employees. So Uday Gadiparthi has only 30 employees. So Uday will not purchase ServiceNow product in this case. Okay. Well, Ratan Tata will purchase ServiceNow product to manage their employees. Azim Premji will purchase ServiceNow product to manage their employees. Okay. Well, business owners will purchase ServiceNow product, guys, to manage their employees. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, for more employees. To manage the more employees, they'll purchase this product. Okay. Well, here, guys, Ratan Tata will send their sales team to ServiceNow company team, ServiceNow company sales team. That means CS company will go to ServiceNow company. There is a company called ServiceNow company in the US. That is the main company. So TCS company will purchase ServiceNow product from ServiceNow company. TCS company will purchase ServiceNow product from ServiceNow company. Okay. So TCS has to spend $1 lakh per year. $1 lakh per year to purchase ServiceNow product. Every year they have to spend $1 lakh. Okay. TCS company has to pay $1 lakh to ServiceNow company every year to use ServiceNow platform. Okay. So then TCS agreed it and paid $1 lakh. Okay. TCS company get this kind of URL. TCS company will get this kind of URL. Okay. This kind of URL TCS will get. It will be like tcs.servicenow.com. Okay. So let us take Wipro company. Wipro company want to purchase ServiceNow product. Wipro company will go to ServiceNow company. And cost is same for everyone, right? They will pay $1 lakh to ServiceNow company. Okay. Then Wipro company will get kind of URL. It is wipro.servicenow.com. Okay. Whatever you see in the personal developer instance, same things you will be able to see in the organization ServiceNow as well. In the TCS ServiceNow also, you will be able to see whatever you see in the personal developer instance. Whatever you see in the personal developer instance, same things you will be seeing in the Wipro ServiceNow instance. Okay. So these are for business purpose. These personal developer instances are for practicing purpose. This is for practicing purpose. This is for business purpose. Business owners will purchase ServiceNow product for their business management. Okay. Like Deloitte company. Deloitte company will go to ServiceNow company, and they will pay $1 lakh. Okay, after purchasing the ServiceNow product from Deloitte, after purchasing ServiceNow product, Deloitte company will get this kind of URL. It will be deloitte.servicenow.com. Okay. So whatever you see in the personal developer instance, same things you will be seeing in the organization ServiceNow instance as well. Okay. The benefits is that it is a paid service. Personal developer instance is a free service. Okay. This will never go to sleep mode. This will never be expired because it is a paid service, right? It is like Zoom Pro, Amazon Pro. So something like that. It is a pro version. It is an enterprise instance. Organization instances. After 1 year, you have to pay $1 lakh one more time. ServiceNow is subscription based. Like you pay AHA subscription every 1 year, right? Like you pay Amazon subscription every 1 year, right? So similarly, you have to pay every year. ServiceNow is actually subscription based. Every year, TCS has to pay $1 lakh to ServiceNow company. Okay, it is not like a ServiceNow company is selling the product and TCS company is purchasing the product. Okay, it is not selling and purchasing. It is like subscription based. Okay. Here I am actually connecting you through the Zoom, right? I am connecting you through the Zoom or not. So to connect to you, I have to spend 17,000 to Zoom company every 1 year. It will only 100 members. So if there are more than 100 members, it will not accept. I have to pay extra money. So ServiceNow is a subscription based. Okay, like we are the customers of Amazon, right? Amazon Prime, right? So similarly, all the IT companies are customers to ServiceNow company. If they want to use ServiceNow, they have to renew their license every year. Okay, so ServiceNow is a subscription based. Understand my point, guys? Everyone, I'm unmuting everyone. You guys can speak now. Guys, everybody is clear, right? I have unmuted everyone. You guys can speak now. Hello. Are you able to unmute yourself, guys? You are not able to unmute yourself? Okay. Okay. So can you unmute yourself now?
Now
Yes,
it is
Uday.
okay, sir.
Yeah. So do you guys understand who will use ServiceNow platform?
Yes, Uday.
Yeah, sir.
Yes.
So how do
Yes,
get the
Uday.
how do they get the ServiceNow platform and all?
Yes,
ServiceNow
Uday. Uday, I have a question. This subscription will be for all the environments like dev, sit, and production, or
yes, all the environments. See, let me clarify your doubt. Okay, so now you guys are clear, right? How to get the ServiceNow, how to create the ServiceNow account, and how to get the personal developer instance for practicing purpose and all. So that is what I have to teach you as part of this session. I have actually taught that, and also I'm actually explaining some real time. In the real time, how the things will work and all. I'm actually explaining. Okay, so all the business owners will use this ServiceNow platform on a subscription based. Okay, so here ServiceNow has 12,000 customers. That means 12,000 organizations use this ServiceNow platform. Okay. So 12,000 organizations has their owners, right? All the owners will actually purchase this product from ServiceNow company. So let us say KPMG company. So for KPMG, it will be like kpmg.servicenow.com. Okay. Okay. So now somebody has asked a doubt. What is that doubt? Is that so being a owner of the business, I went to ServiceNow company. So let us take Elan Tech. So Elan Tech went to ServiceNow company. Okay. So Elan Tech sales team has contacted ServiceNow sales team. Okay. So then they told, please pay $1 lakh. I told that I don't have $1 lakh. Okay. So then I'll give you the better package so that you can go for the better package. So they have given me some better package, and then I have spent $30K. I'm a small scale organization, right? So that is why I have spent $30K. They have given me some best package. So then I have purchased the ServiceNow product. So they have given me 3 environments. You must take 3 environments. One is developer environment. So ET Dev, Tech Dev, ET Test, and et.servicenow.com. They will provide the 3 environments. Okay. The subscription will work for all the environment. Got my point? Hello.
Once you repeat it, sir. Can you
See,
please?
once you purchase the ServiceNow product, they will give you 3 URLs. See, instance is nothing but URL, guys. They will give you 3 URLs, 3 instances. One is actually developers. So developers will work on this. Okay. Here, this environment, in this instance, testers will work. Okay. Here, admins will work here. Okay. So here, once you purchase the ServiceNow product, we will be getting 3 URLs. So we will be working on this URL. So once we have developed something, that will be tested in this URL. And after testing is successful, that will be used by all the employees in this URL. Okay. Everybody is clear, right?
Yes, Uday.
Okay. So once you purchase the ServiceNow product, ServiceNow will definitely give you 3 URLs. One is for development environment, another one is for testing environment, another one is for production environment. So as we all are ServiceNow developers, right? So as a ServiceNow developers, we will be working on this particular instance. So once we are completed our development, we will be moving our development to this test environment. So in this test environment, testers will be testing our development. So after testing it, they will be moving it to production environment. In the production environment, every employee will be using whatever we developed. Okay. So that is how this subscription is applicable for these 3 instances. Okay. See, when you see this URL is nothing but instance. When you see this URL is nothing but instance. Okay. This URL is nothing but environment. So when I say environment, when I say instance, when I say URL, both are same. Okay. Everybody is clear?
Yes.
So here we will be getting the personal developer instance just for practicing purpose. Okay. Personal developer instances cannot be used for business purpose. Just for practicing purpose. Okay. Yeah. So hope everybody is clear with the ServiceNow account creation and requesting the personal developer instance. So now I am allowing you to ask the questions, guys. Any questions from anyone? I would request everyone to get the personal developer instance in tomorrow session. I'll be asking you guys. Okay. I'll be asking you guys to provide to show me. I'll be asking you guys to show me the personal developer instances. Okay. So somebody has asked me a question. Accidentally, he has selected as no in the get started page. Somebody has selected as no. Who is that? Who has selected no? Vikram. Okay. So here, in that case, what you have to do is you have to go to your ServiceNow account. In your ServiceNow account, you have to go to your account here. You will just click on this one. You go to change user role option here. Go to change user role option. So here you would have selected this App Engine Studio. Then you have to change it to admin and click on change user role. So once you click on change user role, okay, once you click on change user role, that will work for you. Okay. See, accidentally, if you select no, when you are creating the ServiceNow account, right, it will pop up a get started page. There, do you code means you have to select yes there. We'll be writing small scripts there. So that is why you will have to select yes. If you select no, right, so then in that case, you have to go to your ServiceNow account. In the ServiceNow account, you will be able to see change user role. Here you have to change it to admin role and click on change user role. Okay. Any other doubts from anyone? Very good. Thank you, Kram. So everybody is able to understand what I am teaching, right? You guys are able to understand in basic language, right? So am I teaching in high level? So I'm trying to keep everything in a layman language so that everybody will be able to understand it. Okay. So you are trying to ask a question, please. Please. Yeah. So this one. Yeah, we can request the personal developer instance, something like this one. Yeah. So here, right on the top right, once you are into ServiceNow account, on the top right, you will be able to see request instance. Once you requested that, it will take some time to provide the personal developer instance. So once it is ready, you will be able to see something like this one, start building. So once you click on that, then you will be able to see, you will be able to navigate to your personal developer instance. Okay. So that is how everybody has to create the ServiceNow accounts and get the personal developer instances by tomorrow's session. Okay. So that is the task for today, guys. We'll be connecting tomorrow at the same time, 7:30 p.m. IST. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. We'll wind up the session for today and we'll be connecting tomorrow.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.